videoing now. Oh, there's lights! How pretty! Oh, wow. Right, let me video spinning.
What?
Video spin, go on, spin. You keep on disappearing, stop running away! Someone with a light. Fuck.
Oh, is there people there?
Yeah. Why? I'm scared now. How cool is this? We're going to look at the dike in the dark now. Or sewage. This is cute! Can't see fuck all. People. Okay, don't push me into it.
I'm not pushing you into it.
Yeah!
You're walking like towards it.
Yeah, so I can look at the water at night. So I can see some crabbling. Look at it. I can't even see it though. Where'd you go hear screams and all that? That sounds really rude.
Oh!
I was having sex on the beach.
Oh yeah.
Look. Oh my god, there's someone coming with a light. I'm scared. We've got our light, but he's got his. Amy, move.
What?
Nice.
What?
I can see people, it's really scary now.
Stop walking the wrong way. I can't stop.
Get here. No, you can't see a thing with this. Right, I'm not gonna video no more. I've not seen a thing. Someone's got their flashing lights.